By eating these foods, you can dramatically change your hairs for sure. Most of us admit the importance of hair. Our appearance greatly depends on it, and this is why we all spend so much time and money on hair care products. Nevertheless, some people are more concerned not with its quality but with its quantity. Losing hair is often associated with aging, and no one is fond of being called old. But thinking on top usually reminds you that you're not getting younger. So let us see some things which will help us to build our hair more stronger and thicker. First one is iron, which is rich in spinach and beans. Apart from strengthening our immunity and counter-attacking a fatigue development, iron is beneficial for our hair. Foods containing iron are highly advisable for most people with hair problems. In saying most, we mean that some individuals should treat this advice with caution. If you are an aging man or a menopausal woman, you should be very careful with too much iron into your diet. Before going for it, you should check up the level of iron in your system, and only after consulting your doctor you can move forward with it. Spinach and leaf beans, for instance, contain great amounts of iron that is able to make your hair follicles stronger and healthier. Second one is folate and lutein, which is rich in eggs. The building material for hair is protein, which is why consuming considerable proportion of protein-rich food is so important for this growth and its volume. Eggs contain lot of proteins, and when you think of your hair care, think of eggs. Egg yolks are loaded with valuable nutrients that nourish your hair, adding maximum health and shine. They supply folate, which is necessary for DNA reproduction. Eggs also contain lutein that makes our hair more elastic and fight split ends. Egg whites are important for your general well-being, so eating egg is doubtlessly advantageous even for those without hair problems. Third one is zinc, which is rich in oysters and beans. Zinc is an essential mineral that our body uses in heaps of different ways. It fights common cold, diarrhea, wound, indigestion, and help aging people with their problems. But apart from that all, zinc is able to prevent and treat the loss of your hair. A clinical research confirmed that most people with hair problems do not have enough zinc in their system. If you consider adding more zinc into your diet, red meat, spinach, eggs, and especially oysters will help you with that. Fourth one are minerals and vitamins, which are rich in honey. It's a well-known fact that honey is a magnificent food that is packed with usual nutrients. Its countless benefit makes us all keep a little bit of it at home. There is one more reason for having some honey always at hand. It turns out that a mixture of honey, olive oil, and cinnamon promotes hair growth. If you start using the hair mask, you will notice in a while that your hair not only grows faster but is also getting shinier and nicer. This mask is a perfect moisturizer and helps against the deterioration. Fifth one is vitamin A, which is rich in sweet potatoes and carrots. Your human system and all your body organs cannot function well without this worthwhile fat-soluble nutrient, vitamin A. Vitamin A is often accompanied by beta-carotene that improves your eyesight and helps to prevent cancer. Apart from the above qualities, vitamin A is able to diminish your hair loss. All you have to do for that is to eat more foods that are rich with vitamin A. These are carrots, sweet potatoes, liver, salmon, and many others. Just bear in mind you do not consume too much of them, otherwise you overdose the amount of vitamin A in your body, which is pretty dangerous. Cooking reduces levels of vitamin A and beta carotenes in food, and so eating them raw is more beneficial. Sixth one is vitamin D, which is rich in salmon and mushrooms. When we are out and exposed to the sun, our body can generate its own vitamin B. None of the less, it is not to generate enough. In hot and sunny days, lots of people wear sun blockers, and those who do not do that probably live in northern countries where sun is not too strong and comes out not too often. It appears that in both cases, people need additional source of vitamin D. Foods like tuna, eggs, beef, liver, orange juice, milk, and mushrooms are perfect suppliers of this nutrient, which are at the same time is very important for a healthier hair. Seventh one is biotin, which is rich in sweet potato. The next reason for your hair loss might be that your body does not have enough of vitamin B7, which is also known as biotin. Strong and healthy hair is attributed to high levels of keratin, which work towards its improvements and volume. Biotin is a powerful element that plays a key role in generation of greater amounts of keratin. To improve your hair situation, you should focus on eating biotin-rich foods such as sweet potatoes, eggs, and spinach. But if you decide to take biotin food supplements instead, you have to consult your doctor first, since biotin nutrition pills might not be in harmony with other medicines. That's all about hair care foods. I hope you will connect with our channel for this type of cool and surprising facts. To connect, please subscribe to our channel. If you know some more foods for our hair care, then please comment in the comment section to help people know more about them, and leave a like if you like the video.